Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to file your beneficial ownership information, also known as BOI, for your LLC. This new federal requirement is part of the Corporate Transparency Act, and it's handled by FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Every LLC, corporation, and similar business entity must file this report, so let's go step by step and make sure you do it correctly. First, let's talk about who needs to file. If you formed your LLC before January 1st, 2024, you have until January 1st, 2025 to file your initial BOI report. If you created your LLC in 2024 or later, you have 90 days from your formation date to file. Starting in 2025, new LLCs will only have 30 days to file, so deadlines really matter here. Now let's go over how to file. The good news is it's completely free and you do it online directly at fincen.gov/BOI. On the website, click on File BOI Report. You'll see two options, one to file online and another to download a PDF and upload it later. The easiest way is to click File Online. You'll start by entering basic information about your company. This includes your LLC's legal name, any trade names or DBAs, your EIN or tax ID number, and the current U.S. business address where you operate. Make sure this address matches what's on your official business filings or tax records. Next, you'll need to provide information about the company applicants. These are the people who filed your LLC paperwork or were responsible for setting it up. This section only applies if your LLC was created on or after January 1st, 2024. If your LLC existed before that date, you can skip this part. Then comes the most important section, the beneficial owners. A beneficial owner is anyone who either owns 25% or more of the LLC or has significant control over it. That could include managing members, people who control finances, or anyone who makes key business decisions. For each beneficial owner, you'll need to provide their full legal name, date of birth, current residential address, and a valid ID number, like a driver's license or passport. You'll also need to upload a photo of that ID. Make sure the image is clear and matches the number you entered. Before submitting, carefully review everything. Even small errors, like a missing middle name or a wrong digit in an EIN, can cause your filing to be rejected. Once you confirm the details, click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation page with a FinCEN tracking number. Save or print that page for your business records because it proves your LLC is compliant. Now, let's talk about updates and penalties. You only need to file once unless something changes, like ownership, address, or management structure. If that happens, you must file an updated BOI report within 30 days of the change. And yes, it's required by law. Failure to file or providing false information can lead to serious penalties, up to $500 per day, and even criminal charges. A few quick tips before we finish. Use your legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. Don't use P.O. boxes for addresses. And if your LLC has multiple owners, coordinate early so you have everyone's information ready before you start the filing. So just go to fincen.gov, select File BOI, enter your company and ownership details, upload the required IDs, review for accuracy, and submit. Once it's done, keep your confirmation for your records. It's quick, free, and protects your LLC from compliance issues down the road. That's how you file your beneficial ownership information report correctly for your LLC.